Welcome guys. As I mentioned, I'm putting out another video for you today. So this means that this is the third video. You gotta hustle, 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 I love putting out these videos for you guys. So this is a video on mining again. It's still Monday. It's not yet, as you can see, it's 11:44 p.m. So it's not yet Tuesday, and I wanted to get these videos out on these opportunities so that you can see exactly each side of my business. And this is one section of it. Okay, this is the passive side, and this is the mining cryptocurrency. I'm going to get into Swissquote Global for a second, but as I go ahead, I want to just scroll down and show you guys the market is pretty bloody today. And I mean it because of just all the red that is there in the marketplace. It's pretty consistent, and I want to definitely say that please, any kind of information that you receive from this channel and from my content is not financial advice. It's just my journey that I'm sharing with you and my ideas and opinions, okay? It's not financial advice. Please don't take it as financial advice. Yes. So Bitcoin is a bit down at the moment. It's around 8.4K in US dollars, which is not that great to have. Obviously, it was higher and it's having a slow first half of the year. But cryptocurrency is unpredictable, honestly, and we knew right from the get-go that it's possible that it has a slow start. Okay. But if you think about it, last year it was 2,000, now it's 8,000. So there's been a big growth from last year to this year. It's just that it's been a drop from the actual market cap that was. Now, let me get into more details in the other currencies as well that you can see here. I am trading most of these. So definitely that's a big advantage for me, but we're not going to talk about trading today. We're going to talk about mining. So I do mine Bitcoin specifically. I do mine Ethereum. Okay. That's basically what I mine right now. I mine a bit of Dash, but it's not significant amount. So Bitcoin and Ethereum are my main sources of income at the moment in terms of mining. And I use Swissquote Global, which has partnered basically. It's not really a partnership, more they are clients of Genesis Mining, which is the largest or the second largest at the moment, because Hashflare is slowly but steadily taking over cryptocurrency mining opportunity that exists. I mean, the owner of Genesis Mining has even been on TED Talks as well. So you just need to Google them and you will find lots of legitimacy in the company itself. Swissquote Global is one of those amazing companies. Has a 10-year-old history. Let me repeat that for you guys. It has a 10-year-old history. Okay. I will update you guys about it, but as I mentioned, it is specifically on precious metals. So the company is based on special metals, and that's how it is. It does have the network marketing element side to it, and it has a brilliant education space as well. The content that you receive here is phenomenal. Okay, it's phenomenal, but it's gold, silver, and other kind of precious metals is what this company was doing for the majority of the time until they started mining as well as cryptocurrency. Okay, they started mining cryptocurrency as well. And if I go to my crypto, I'm going to show you a little bit what I am mining with them and what you can mine at this point in time. Let me repeat that for you. What I'm mining with them and what you mine from them at the moment. Okay. While that page loads, this is the system that I have in place that I promote as well, Swissquote Global. So here I share in this video right here, muted, but I share exactly what I do in Swissquote Global in order for me to earn. Okay, and today let's show you a little bit more about cryptocurrency. So if you go down here, you can see that there's Bitcoin, there's Zcash, there's Dash, there's Litecoin, there's Ethereum, there's Monero. And these are all, as you can see, I don't have any Monero. I don't have any Ethereum here. I don't have any Litecoin here. I don't have any Dash here. For me, it was pointless to mine these. However, I started to mine Zcash, and then the contracts expired. And what I mean by expired is that they didn't exist anymore. So I have a 2-year contract with Zcash, which I will definitely take advantage, and I know I will have a positive outcome on that once the 2-year contract ends. And that's a good thing. I'm really excited about that opportunity, honestly. And then I have Bitcoin, which you can see I have 1 terahash of Bitcoin at the moment in same SHA-56 in Swissquote Global. I am in current state of growing this quite a bit. Why am I saying that? Because I have the other one up to 10.4, 10.5. So I'm going to soon be 11 terahash, which is quite great to have in terms of where we are at in the year. And I'm going to transfer more of those kind of funds to grow this, because these contracts are open-ended. So I'm going to just quickly show you transaction history to show you that I am, okay, this is when 5th of May is when I got my one of the contracts, and then I got another one on the 10th of May, and I will keep growing it that way, so it accumulates much more. But as you can see, you have 7 pages of payments in both Zcash and Bitcoin, Zcash and Bitcoin, sorry, Zcash, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Zcash, Zcash, Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Zcash. You can see it goes on and on for 7 pages, and if I go right in the beginning to the 7th page, you'll see there was only Zcash payments, okay? And now the Zcash and Bitcoin payments, because that's what I'm doing. Basically, I have Zcash and Bitcoin mining for me in order for me to reach this amount every single day and then get paid out. Okay, so that's the advantage of everything that I wanted to show you. 10-year-old company, which means that they will take their KYC, they will take their know your customer seriously. You will not be able to buy crypto or any other kind of precious metals without getting that step done. Okay, I'm going to show you how to buy hash power as well. When you click on buy hash power, you come here, you just click on increase now, and as you can see, there's only Bitcoin available, and it starts immediately. There's no pre-sale or stuff like that. I click on next, and I have, if you're a free customer like me, you can go only up to 5 terahash at a single transaction. So you can have 5 terahash, 5 terahash, 5 terahash, 5 terahash, as much as you want. But 5 terahash is a single transaction that you can go up to. If you can live up to that and get at least 5 terahash, which is less than $1,000, then go for it. Okay, if you're like me, where this has been the second source of income, then I had to be cautious and I had to be careful, and I'm happy what I did, and I know that I can improve much more because of it. Okay, now this is what I wanted to talk to you specifically about. Let's go down and click on, if you click on next, you just pay the amount in Bitcoin and everything, and that's about it. So let's scroll down. You saw the proof of Swissquote Global, and this is why I love this company, because it's a 10-year-old reputation that just makes sense. Okay, they have an amazing affiliate offer as well. You can join as a free customer, and you can just go as paid membership as well. But I would suggest to start mining, test it, see how things are before you jump in and actually make a difference. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. If you like what you see and you like Swissquote Global, I've left a link in the description that will take you through the whole funnel that I have, and you need to go to the crypto world section and click on passive. Okay, you click on passive income stream or income source, and you get to see both my mining. Today's a Monday. It's Monday mining from you guys. Have a great day. I'm going to see you on the next video tomorrow.